In this video, we are going to be learning about how to use a computer notepad, I'm still your friend Ahebwa Martin. This is my number and this is my email address. And welcome back to PowerMops Foundation LIT Schools. So, how to use a computer notepad. So, many people have been using computers, but now sometimes they get you find you want to note something, but now you don't have a pen. At the same time, you don't have a pen. At the same time, you don't have a paper or you don't have a book, and you find that you don't have anywhere to note. So this notebook was created for us to note something, or to create a note, or to write something. For example, like a quote. For example, let's say that you are summarizing your notes, you are on a presentation, and now you want to summarize your information. So we use a computer notepad. So don't say that you don't have anywhere to put your summarized content or summarized information. And now, how do we use our computer notepad? So my dear friend, in this video, it is what we are going to learn about. So how to use a computer notepad. So to use a computer notepad, number one step is you have to open up a notepad. How do you open up a notepad? You click on start. You click on start. After clicking on start, there is something called a search engine here. Type here to search. In the type here to search, it is where you type the word notepad. You type there the word notepad. And the moment you type there the word notepad will directly come here. I think you can see it here. Notepad, it is here. So the moment it pops up, you double click on it to open up. So the moment it opens up, I think you can see my notepad is actually opened now. So what you do here is to type there the words or the information you do want to type there. So for example, like in this video, we are learning about how to use a notepad. So do you see? Now I have typed there my information that I want to save or to store. So but now I'm seeing it is having a lot of font size. How do I reduce this font size? You highlight this work that you have created, and after highlighting it, you click on format and choose font. And the moment you choose font, you can give it a font style that you want. You can even say I will bold it, I will italicize it, and at the same time I reduce the font size or increase the font size. So but now we want to reduce the font size. So how do we reduce the font size? We come here on the font size section and look for the size that we want. For example, let's say that I need 16 font size. Then here I will click. Let's say I want it bolded. At the same time, I want it, for example, in Garamond font style. Let me look for Garamond font style. So Garamond, it is in G. It is in G. So Garamond, it is here. So after getting it, I want it bold and font size 16. So I click OK to apply. I think you can see how it has reduced in the font size. So if I see that it is somehow small now, I can again do highlight it. I come to view, I come to format, here format, then I choose font. Then I can also come back here and I increase the font size, for example, to 28, and then I click OK. I think you have seen it. But now after doing this, I haven't finished everything. I have to save this note. So how do I save the note? I will click on File, then I choose Save As. So after clicking on Save As, I choose where do I want to save this work. So for example, I can say I want to save it, for example, on local disk C, or I can say on desktop. So on desktop, I can say I will create a folder there on the desktop. Which folder? So I will click on New Folder to create the folder. So after getting for me the new folder created, I will remove what is there and press there. For example, I will say computer notepad. That is the name of my folder, computer notepad. Then I press enter. Then after pressing enter, I will click open to have my computer notepad opened here. So after opening this folder, I will come here and give this note a file name or a saving file name. So I will come here and I remove what is here. So after removing what is there, I will type there the name, or what we call the file name. So I will say introduction. I can say use, how to use a notepad. Then I will click save. But now this thing is this file will be saved as .text. meaning that it will not be saved like other documents that we have been saving, but now this one will be saved as a text. So I will click save. So after clicking save, I will close my things here. I will close my things here. Actually, if you try to see here, there is a name here. How to save, how to use a notepad. This is the name I saved with. So I will close everything here. I close everything here. So after closing, I will look for that folder called computer notepad, which is here. So I double click to open it. Then I will find there my how to use a notepad. So if I double click to open it, I will find there my content that I saved there. So my dear friend, that is how we use a notepad. So anytime you are creating your content, don't fail to summarize, or let's say you are in a meeting, you can use a note in case you don't have a pen and a book to do those summaries. You can use your notepad to summarize or to write those key words that you are getting into your work, and you don't forget everything. So my dear friend, I'm still your friend as Ahebwa Martin here at Palmos Foundation. In case you have not understood anything, consider to subscribe, consider to comment, and also subscribe to this channel for more information like these ones. So consider also to share and also invite others to come to this platform and learn ICT. And after learning it and getting it very good, and after learning it and grasping it, here we will have achieved our goal, which is making computing easier. I'm still your friend Ahebwa Martin here at Palm Hopes Foundation. Bye for now.